15 minutes video. Ekku waċal. Easy. Good evening, YouTubers. This is Joseph Edward Vella once again from the rooftop of Vella Production Studios in Ormi, St. Sebastian, in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea here in Malta. Yes, it's a spectacular night tonight, where actually, as you can see, we have a thunderstorm forming up here, a full major storm. We had really tough weather this afternoon here in the Maltese Islands. Well, summer is nearly over now. Actually, we're starting to experience some really tough weather over here. As you can see, there's some lightning. Oops. There's a nice one over there. A full-blown storm is it's coming over us now, right at 12 o'clock. That means right in front of me, as you can see. And to my left, there is more clouds coming up. As we can see, this is a type nimbostratus clouds mixed with cumulonimbus clouds. I wonder how much are we going to spend here on the roof, because actually the wind is blowing a bit harder. We have a mixture of nimbostratus together with cumulonimbus clouds, which is at the second layer. I remind you that this is only a 15-minute video, and as I saw this quickly happening, I've managed to capture some moments of this heavy storm here. As you can see, even over our head, it's getting darker and darker. As you can see, we have some lightning also. Actually, it's coming overhead. And it's nice to capture this great moment here, although not so great for us, because soon we will be rushing in, because heavy rain showers are following soon. We're going to expect some heavy rain showers. As you can see, it was previously announced on the news early in this afternoon that we are about to expect some heavy rainfall, and we are already seeing the rain curtains, and we have some wind blowing. Actually guys, I will soon conclude this video, I think. As you can see, I don't think I will be managing 15 minutes of film, because we'll be rushing in. It's all over, guys. We're all surrounded here, huh? We're all surrounded. Wind has already started also. We have about already 6 knots of wind force here on this roof, and I think it's more at the airport. Ġirja waħda l-ġewwa ġejja. As I said, I said some words in Maltese. Actually, I'm about to conclude this video now. It's already starting to rain here on my position. Actually, whoop, there we are. The storm is coming in. Alright guys, I will see you next time. I have to conclude the video here. This is Joseph Edward Vella, right from the heart of the Mediterranean Sea here in Europe, right from Malta. I wave to you goodbye. I let you enjoy this last few minutes, and after which I will stop the video here for tonight. In the meantime, goodbye ladies and gents, because soon it's about to start raining heavily here, with ice most probably. Goodbye. Easy.